Hey friends! Today, make a delicious dessert, banana bread with your little immigrant chef. Let's get baking. This easy banana bread will turn your rainy day into a calm, soft evening. Melt your butter, whisk it with sugar and egg, and a pinch of salt. Mash bananas and mix it with vanilla. Combine the banana mixture with the butter mixture in one bowl. Sift together flour, baking soda, baking powder, and a dash of cinnamon. Gently fold these dry ingredients into the wet mixture using a spatula. This will make your banana bread extra fluffy and soft. Top it with one banana and a pinch of sugar. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do. Enjoy!